Feeling stuck, rejected, closed doors everywhere. Here's the truth. Jesus wants you to know today, God opens doors no man can shut. And when He opens it, kahit sinong kumontra, wala silang magagawa. Sabi sa Revelations 3:7 to 8, what He opens, no one can shut. For I have placed before you an open door. Yung opens sa Greek ay ainoigo. Ibig sabihin to unlock, to give access, to make a way where there is no way. At yung no one can shut ay odeis dynamai. Literal meaning, no power on earth can stop it. When God opens a door, hindi kailangan ng connection. Hindi kailangan ng perfect credentials. Hindi kailangan ng approval ng tao because grace is your qualification. Closed doors protect you, open doors promote you. And God says, I know your strength is small, but I have opened the door anyway, and I am your strength. He opens doors for the humble, the faithful, the surrendered. Doors of opportunity, favor, relationships, and breakthrough. So today, stop forcing doors God didn't open and start walking through the ones He did. Declare this, if God opens it, no one can shut it. Comment mo dyan, my friend. Open doors are mine. Like, subscribe, and share para mas maraming tao ang ma-encourage sa God-sized opportunities. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.